Day 11. Welcome to Day 11, sisters, as we take time to explore the unique talents God has given you. God has given us each gifts for a reason, and we were never meant to bury them. God wants us to use these gifts for a greater good and to shine our light brightly in this world. In Matthew 25:14-30, Jesus shares the parable of the talents. In the story, a master entrusts his servants with talents, a form of currency, before going on a journey. To one servant, he gives 5 talents, to another 2 talents, and to another 1 talent. The servants who received 5 and 2 talents immediately put their money to work and they doubled it. But the servant who received 1 talent went off, dug a hole in the ground, and hid his master's money. When the master returned, he praised the servants who had doubled their talents, saying, "Well done, good and faithful servants." But he rebuked the servant who had buried his talents, calling him wicked and lazy. This parable teaches us that God expects us to use the gifts and talents we have been given to produce good fruit and impact the world around us. Just like the servants in the parable, we are entrusted with unique gifts and talents. These gifts are not meant to be hidden or buried. They are meant to be used to glorify God and bless others. Matthew 5:14-16 reminds us, "You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." So, sister, what gifts has God given you that you've been hiding? Are you a gifted speaker, but fear has kept you silent? Do you have a talent for writing, but self-doubt has held you back from sharing your words? Are you a natural leader, but insecurity has prevented you from stepping up? Many of us hide our gifts due to fear, insecurity, or a sense of unworthiness. We might worry about what other people might think about us. We might fear failure or fear we're not good enough. But sister, it is crucial to remember that our gifts are not just for us. They are for the greater good. There are people out there who need what you have to offer. Your unique gifts can bring hope, healing, and encouragement to others. Think of your gifts as seeds. When planted and nurtured, they can grow into something beautiful and fruitful, impacting lives in ways you might not ever imagine. But if you keep those seeds in your pocket, they will never fulfill their purpose. God has planted these seeds in you for a reason, and sister, it is time to let them grow. As we reflect on the topic of today's devotional, I want you to ask yourself the following and write your answer in your journal. Question number 1. What gifts has God given you that you've been hiding? And what steps can you take to start using them? Question number 2. What fears or insecurities have been holding you back from using your gifts? And how can you overcome them? Once again, sister, as you continue to reflect on these 2 questions, if you need additional support, I encourage you to visit chapter 3 of your book and workbook for Sister Start Your Ministry. There are additional exercises that will help you go deep as you answer these 2 questions. As we prepare to close, I invite you to proclaim these words of truth and life over yourself. I am a light in this world. I will not hide my gifts. I will let them shine brightly to glorify God and bless others. One more time. I'm a light in this world. I will not hide my gifts. I will let them shine brightly to glorify God and bless others. That is it for today, sister. Until we connect again tomorrow, you stay blessed, you stay encouraged, and let your light shine.
Hey sis, I hope you were encouraged by today's message. And if you were, I'm inviting you to take your next step of faith by downloading my free Ministry Launch Starter Kit that's going to help you not only start, but grow your ministry. You can get this kit at sisterstartyourministry.com. Again, that is sisterstartyourministry.com.